So these two guys is Dragon Chic boxing. And the other one is football. Here guys is almost, no, mostly nakikita mo dito is green. Ayun yung legislative building. And here is a playground for the kids. Ganda ng lights na yun guys. Umikot-ikot siya. Lalo siguro sa gabi yan. Ikot-ikot. And then may CR na rin here guys. So it's so convenient. There's toilet here. So here. Start here guys. Pasok ako dyan. Sa area na yan. Medyo hindi magandang weather ngayon. Kasi walang araw. Pero okay na rin. At least hindi tayo na initan na mag-walk. So here guys, the Anicom Sports Park here in Tamar Park. Ayan. Hong Kong Comic and Animation Federation. Ayan. So yun. Oh, ang cute. Ang cute dito guys. You know what? Parang may peba-pebo dito. Oh, diba? Ayan. Mayroon pa dito guys. Oh. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. And ayun, meron pa dun sa bandaron. Ito is swimming. So this one guys is cherry windsurfing. Yun. And in the other side, there's another also here. Is dalawang tunnel. No, kaso basa yung lupa guys. Oh, basa. This one is the penguin. Ang cute ng penguin. Oh, diba? And this one guys is Bruce Lee X Karate. Ayan. And the other one is Wushu anime. Yeah. Wushu. Wow, sungit ng mukha guys. And this one is table tennis. Ayan, table tennis. And the other one is hockey. Hockey yata to. Yeah, hockey guys. Sing Chai hockey. And at the back is basketball. Ayan, basketball. Ayan. Yan guys, nandito ako sa may Animecom Sports Park. Ayan. Daming mga anime na statue guys. And the featured sports. Ayan. And there's another here guys is ballet. I know, skating. Ayan. Ito siya. Ang cute niya guys. And this one naman guys is swimming. Ayan. Kronos Expressly na swimming. And there's another here guys is smoker. Oh, ayan. Smoker. Ang cute. This one naman guys is bowling. Ayan, may pa. Wow! Ganun pa siya no guys. Ayan. And the other one here is tennis. Tennis lang siya. Hindi table tennis. Yung isa kanina table, ito tennis lang. And here is golf. Oh, diba? Ang sungit ng mukha naman niya, oh. So, naughty the face. Hanggang dun sa may bantaron, guys. And dito sa area na to, guys, is good. Pwedeng dog friendly also. And pet friendly. And you can sit. So, may seat here na, guys. And ito is firing. Nice shooting pala. Shooting guys. Ayan. Oh, ang cute. And there's another two here guys. Ito is Magnificent Equestrian. Yung ano, alam mo yung horse racing. Magnificent Equestrians. And at the back niya is hurdles. Ayan, hurdles. And dito sa area na to guys, may mga gardens sila. And yan, they have different type of flowers and plants. It's so colorful. Ang ganda ng puti. Oh, cute. The pink. Yeah. Ang ganda guys. And pwede ka na rin umupo dito, mahiga. Relax. Yun. So colorful yung mga plants nila dito. May bulaklak po guys. Pink. Ito ang ganda. Is right. Wow. So pretty. Gumamela guys. And there's another here. Different color of gumamela. There's pink, orange. Diba ang ganda? Ang ganda. Oh. And dito sa area na to guys, ayan, ang daming mga chair. Pwede kang mag-rest pagpagod na naglakad. Yung pwede ka pang matulog. Diba? Ang galing. And ito naman guys is cycling. Cycling siya. And ito is archery. Okay, na archery. And dito sa area na to guys, puro ganito yung display nila. Ang ganda lang. It's all green. Ang ganda. Sarap mag-walk dito guys. Tapos kita mo pa yung view ng Chimchachu area. Kowloon. Kaso hindi lang maganda kasi yung weather. Ayan. Mayroon pa dito isa. Ayan. This one naman is fencing. I know this one is fencing guys. Oh, see? Fencing. Ayan. So, yun. And then, this area, mayroon pa silang ganito dito until there. Ito is Hakin. Hakin squash. Thank you. And itong dalawa naman dito guys is badminton. Yan. Badminton, this one. And little horse badminton. Dalawa silang badminton. Oh, ang cute. And then mayroon dito is sa ano, volleyball yata to guys. Is a girl. Yeah, I know this one is a volleyball. Oh yeah, see, volleyball. And ang ganda sa lugar na to guys kasi meron silang ganitong nilagay. Pwede kang umupo dyan kumain, magmerienda. Eh, ayun, meron pa dito. Ang cute naman dito. Tignan natin kung ano nito. I'm not familiar with this type of sports. Oh, ano to? Sevens, rugby 7. So, yun, dito guys, mayroon pa silang ganito na display, Anicom Sports Park. Ayan. Nemo Bartes, kung yung twin, ay kung Tungyin. Ayan. Karate. Li Chi Ching. Joseph Wong Chak. Oh. Mga anime sports park, Anicom pala. And dito rin sa area na to guys. Ayan, lahat ng yung binidyo ko kanina nandito. Yun. Anicom Sports Park. So mayroon pa dito guys is artistic gymnastic. Ayan. And the other one here is skateboarding, braking, pass in boats braking. Ayan. Ganyan. Dito guys is ang galing, no? Wood shop. Upuan siya dati kaso nakabarricade. Hindi siya pwedeng upuan. And ayun. May logo-logo pa dito. And puntahan ko pa yung dalawang yan guys. So, ang cute. Yan. Ito, ang cute guys. Minjan fencing. O, diba? Ang cute niya. Fencing. And yung isa naman is taekwondo. Yan. So yun guys, tapos na ako nag-video sa mga Anicom park dito. And yan, proceed ako sa Wanchai, mag-walk ako. Yan. Yun, mag-walk ako. Going to Wanchai, malapit na lang din guys.
유난히도 캄캄한밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 그날의 나는 내게 너무 낯설었겠지. 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무
Guys, that is the end of my video and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog and don't forget to like and subscribe to my